Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. Hello, we are from TRM 5B evening class, and my name is Jumriel Fikri Salam. Today, we are going to present our visual identity draft for the rebranding of Postpana, a digital cashier app designed for local business such as food stall, shop, and street vendors. Next slide. Okay. In the first, on the Moodboard logo, we collect several visual reference from other post brand and local street market visual. Our goal was to create a brand that feel warm, simple, and modern. The main color we use are orange and brown, representing friendliness and the local identity of UMKM. Next, in the mind mapping logo, we explored the key idea behind the visual concept. Some keywords we focus on are simple, modern, and functional. The logo elements are inspired by market tent, streetcar, and cashier, using a combination mark and letter mark style, so it's flexible to use across different media. Next slide. Then we analyze the design using a SWOT analysis. For the strengths, the logo clearly reflects UMKM identity and is easy to recognize with its local and warm visual style. The weakness include the risk of losing recognition from old user and lower contrast on certain backgrounds. For opportunity, this rebranding helped strengthen Postpana modern image and attract young tech-savvy business owner. And for traits, there's competition from other modern post brands and user adaptation to the new design. We also created thumbnail skates and 5 digital logo draft to explore different design direction before finalizing the best one. So that's this process help you build a new visual identity for Postpana that feel more professional, modern, and still connected to the local MKM culture. Next slide will be presented by Christopher Mate.
Okay, thank you. Here I will continue explain the visual identity draft. Here I will summarize the 5 logo based on technical observation and audience perception. Some of these logos rank well, ranking from fairly good to very weak. And the next slide. This slide explain the qualitative analysis of aspect that need revision in the combination logo. Simplification or adjust to the logo shape, improvement to element, color shape, and font compatibility with the character. And the next slide. In this slide, we have concluded that the best logo is logo 2, with, which has the highest audience score and good memorability. The weakest logo is logo 5 due to its lack of meaning. Maybe just it for me. The next slide explain the Arabian.
Okay, next slide. On this occasion, I will present the draft of Writing Wara for the Postpana brand and UI copy project, a digital cashier application intended for UMKM and angkringan business owners. The slide shows two marketing text writing or copywriting formulas that we use, namely is the first one is PASS formula, problem, agitate, solve. This approach focuses on storytelling by raising user uh, issues, emphasizing the urgency of these issues, offering solution through the Postpana brand. And the headline is just open the app and all your notes are sorted. The goal is to immediately show ease of use as the main value. And for the second formula is AIDA, is attention, interest, desire, and action. The second approach is more persuasive, attracting attention and encouraging action. And the headline is small business but managed like a pro. This headline evokes a sense of pride and professionalism among UMKM players. The subheadline reinforces the theme of modern local, which is the combination of technology and Indonesian cultural nuances. Okay, the next slide. For the interactive digital media concept draft, for the storytelling or problem, let's start with the story behind the concept. Every night, Rudy is busy recording orders in a notebook amidst the hustle and bustle of the angkringan. Orders are often recorded late and sometimes even miscalculated. The pile of the notes make it difficult to control inventory and generate accurate sales reports. This situation is reality experienced by many culinary UMKM. Manual process make it difficult to control inventory, track presence, track transaction, and generate financial reports. And for the text, in the text, we use the persuasive approach with the main message: take your culinary business to the next level without the drama. And for the Postpana offers convenience, efficiency, and hassle-free user experience. And for the visual, image, and icons, uh, in the section, we present familiar, easily recognizable, and consistent icon representation. The function of each icon are explained in the table, ranging for the notification icon, user profile, order history, search to menu list. And for the button or interaction, on the right side, we see the interaction button design on the application. There are several main features, namely the button display is simple, using a clear visual hierarchy and highlight color for important elements such as pay now. Okay, I think that's all for me. The next slide will be presented by Vanessa.
There is animation. We use a slide right, and left, fade in and fade out, pop up and bounce. And after we use audio for transition, notifications, stock items, user, and system of warning notification. Okay, the next slide. There is interface layout graph. We use principal style. There is continuity, similarity, proximity, and figure ground. After that, we use grid is hierarchical grid and column grid. Okay, the next slide. In our implementation wireframe draft, there are several wireframes draft before implementation and the result after implementation. There is wireframe in the landing page, footer, product page, and sidebar. Okay, the next presentation by Bella.
Okay, draft exhibition concept. This draft concept includes the committee structure, rundown, exhibition location plan, layout exhibition, event equipment, and mitigation K3L. And the next slide. Portfolio visualization draft. In the portfolio visualization draft, we display using QR barcode for all the team members. The next slide. Identity mitigation. Here we identification for exhibition risks, project-based learning. Maybe just enough for me. I return into the moderator.
Okay, thank you. That's all from our team presentation tonight. Once again, we are from Terambi 5B evening class. We also apologize if there are any mistake in our words or presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.